Albatross. Take trains from Nankai Namba to subways Namba stations without passing through the ticket gates on the way.
Compilation. I'm at Nankai Electric Railway's Namba station. This time, I'll take the train from Nankai's Namba station to the subway's Namba station without passing through the ticket gates.
Good morning.
I'm Albatross.
I am Jay.
These two Namba stations are a 5-minute walk away. How long will it take to get there by train without passing through the ticket gates? First, let's buy a ticket for Nankai Railway. The first train I'll take is the Limited Express Southern number 11 bound for Wakayamashi Station. Now, let's go through the ticket gates. The Limited Express, Southern number 11, is entering the station.
The train now arriving is the Southern Limited Express, bound for Wakayamashi. Reserved seating is in the front 4 cars. For a reserved seat, passengers must have a limited express ticket in addition to a train ticket.
Let's take a look at the exterior of the Limited Express Southern. As said on the broadcast, the last 4 cars of the Limited Express Southern are for non-reserved seats. Non-reserved seats are long seats, in other words, the seats on a commuter train. The front 4 cars are for reserved seats, and I will be using one of them. The Limited Express Southern mainly connects Nankai Namba Station with Wakayamashi Station via the Nankai Main Line. There are also trains that connect Namba Station and Wakayama Port Station via the Nankai Main Line and Nankai Port Line. Let's get on car 4.
It's empty.
I got off the train at Kishiwada Station, and even at that point, there were very few passengers. The Limited Express Southern has departed from Namba Station. The train will stop at Shingimamiya, Tengachaya, and Sakai before Kishiwada Station, where I will be getting off. The Limited Express Southern is heading to Kishiwada after stopping at Shingimamiya, Tengachaya, and Sakai. At Kishiwada, I changed to the Airport Express, departing at 10:09. Actually, I could have taken the Airport Express from Namba instead of taking the Limited Express Southern.
But you just wanted to take the Limited Express Southern, right?
That's right. The Nankai Main Line is a line that was completed in 1903, connecting Namba Station and Wakayamashi Station. In other words, the Limited Express Southern is the train that ran on the Nankai Main Line from start to finish.
空港急行の関西空港検査します。それでは車に合わせてご注意ください。
I changed to the Airport Express, which was waiting on the opposite side of the platform, and am now waiting for the departure. Nankai's Kishiwada Station, along with JR's Higashi Kishiwada Station, is the central station of Kishiwada City. All trains stop here, except the limited express Rapid Alpha. Izumi Sano Station is the junction of the Nankai Main Line and the Airport Line. I'm getting off at Rinka Town, the station after Izumi Sano. I apologize in advance, but there is no video from Izumi Sano to Rinka Town.
It must be your mistake.
Yes. I'm sorry. The footage from Izumi Sano onwards will be replaced with an edited video previously taken from the Limited Express Rapid. The train departs from Izumi Sano Station and begins its journey along the airport line.
次はリンクータウンです。リンクータウンの次は終点関西空港です。
The elevated track of JR West's Kansai Airport line comes into view. This line is used by trains, such as the Kansai Airport Express, Haruka. From the next stop, Rinku Town, both Nankai and JR share the same Kansai International Airport Link Bridge, which runs all the way to Kansai Airport Station. I've arrived at Rinku Town Station.
Wait a moment. Let me see your Nankai ticket.
This is my Nankai ticket.
I knew it. This is a fare ticket only to Kishiwada.
That's true. Let's go to the fare adjustment window. Excuse me. Let me pay the fare from Kishiwada to Rinku Town, please.
Yes. The extra fare is 280 yen.
Let's continue my journey.
You said the journey continues, but what do you do next?
I'll transfer to the JR line. Here are the stairs leading up to track 3 and 4. Track 4 is for the Nankai Airport line, and track 3 is for the JR Kansai Airport line.
In other words, you can transfer from the Nankai line to the JR line without going through a ticket gate.
That's right.
This announcement doesn't sound very familiar to me.
It seems that this station is using the Nankai style approach announcement. The next train I'm going to take, the Kansai Rapid Service bound for Osaka area, is arriving at Rinka Town Station. This is the Kansai Airport Rapid Service bound for Tennoji, but it will stop at Tennoji twice.
It stops at Tennoji twice?
After stopping at Tennoji once, it will go around the Osaka Loop Line counterclockwise and stop at Tennoji again. That's why it's called a train bound for Osaka area. The next station, Hineno, is a junction between the Kansai Airport line and the Hangwa line. Like the Nankai Main Line, the Hangwa Line connects southern Osaka City with Wakayama City. They don't run parallel to each other, but they follow a fairly similar route. The Suita General Depot, Hineno Branch Office, can be seen. This is the depot for trains used on the Hanwa Line and Kansai Airport Line.
What kind of trains are there?
Like 225 series trains? I'm not sure. The Kansai Airport Rapid Service is arriving at Hineno, my first stop. The Kishuji Rapid Train from Wakayama has arrived. It stops here for a moment. The coupling operation is carried out under the guidance of a station staff member holding flags. The coupling is now completed. After the coupling work was completed, the 4-car Kansai Airport Rapid Service was coupled with the 4-car Kishuji Rapid Service, making the train an 8-car train. The 8-car train runs on the Hanwa Line toward Osaka City. Station is served by 3 lines of JR West, the Kansai Main Line, the Osaka Loop Line, and the Hanwa Line, and you can also transfer to the Honkai Line and Osaka Metro Line. On the other side of the road, there is Kintetsu's Osaka Abenobashi Station, where you can transfer to the Kintetsu Line. Let's get off the Kansai Airport Rapid Service at this station. The train departs from Tennoji Station.
Which line are we on?
This is the Yamatoji Rapid Service bound for Nara.
Are you going to Nara Station?
If you watch the video closely, you'll find out. After stopping at Kyuhoji Station, the train is running on the Kansai Main Line, commonly known as the Yamatoji Line.
ご乗車ありがとうございました。まもなく王子です。お出口は左側です。和歌山線、畠田、静見、柏方面と万葉まほろば線、金橋、うねり、桜井方面と近鉄線はお乗り換えです。王子を出ますと次は法隆寺に止まります。
As announced on the train, Oji Station is served by the Wakayama Line. The Sakurai Line, commonly known as the Manyo Maharoba Line, which branches off from Takata Station on the Wakayama Line. Oji Station on the Kintetsu Aikoma Line and Shinoji Station on the Kintetsu Torimoto Line are also nearby. The overhead wires of the Kintetsu Aikoma Line and the train can now come into view. The Yamatoji Rapid Service will soon be arriving at Oji Station. I'm waiting for the next train to depart at Oji Station.
まもなく発車します。ご注意ください。We will now depart. Please take care. 今日も JR 西日本をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。この電車は高田、五条、橋本方面、和歌山行きです。終点和歌山まで各駅に停まります。次は畠田です。すべてのドアがご利用いただけます。The next stop is 畠田。下一站田田。다음역은 하타케다입니다.
The local train bound for Wakayama departed from Oji Station and began running on the Wakayama Line. The Wakayama Line is an electrified single-track line that connects Oji Station and Wakayama Station and is 87.5 kilometers long.
JR 五移動です。すべてのドアがご利用いただけます。The next stop is JR 五移動。
The local train, departed from Kashiba Station, is heading for JR Goedo Station. JR Goedo Station was originally opened in 1940 as Goedo Signal Station. In 2004, the station opened as a passenger station and was named JR Goito Station to distinguish it from Goito Station on the Kintetsu Osaka line. You can see the overhead wires of the Kintetsu Osaka line. Further ahead, there is Kintetsu's Yamato Takata Station, but it is far from JR's Takata Station. Kintetsu's Yamato Takata Station is an intermediate station on the Kintetsu Osaka line. But JR's Takata Station is a junction for the Wakayama line and the Sakurai line, commonly known as the Manyo Maharoba line. If you take the Sakurai line, you'll get to Nara Station.
Are you going to change trains at this station?
No, I'll keep on taking this train.
We will soon arrive at Yoshinoguchi. Please change here for the Kintetsu line. すべてのドアがご利用いただけます。切符、運賃は駅でお渡しください。イコカなどで吉野口でお降りのお客様、近鉄線にお乗り換えのお客様は、ホームまたは地下道に設置の乗り換え改札機にタッチしてください。段差がありますので、足元にお気をつけください。
I see. So you transfer to the Kintetsu line here.
That's right. I transfer to the Kintetsu Yoshino line here. I use this ticket to get from Rinku Town to Yoshinoguchi. This is the ticket used on the Kansai Airport Line, Hama Line, Kansai Main Line, and Wakayama Line. If you use an IC card to board the train, you have to tap the transfer gate machine, so it's unclear whether you've passed through the ticket gate or not, but if you use a paper ticket, the ticket gate doesn't matter. I arrived at Yoshinoguchi, the transfer station for the Kintetsu line. The local train bound for Kashihara Jingume has arrived. It appears to be a Kintetsu 6400 series train. Now, let's get on the Kintetsu train. The train bound for Kashihara Jingume has departed from Yoshinoguchi Station.
お待たせしました。近鉄をご利用いただきありがとうございます。この電車は橿原神宮前行き各駅停車です。この電車はワンマン電車です。次はクズです。
Thank you for taking Kintetsu Railway. This train is the local train bound for Kashihara Jingumae. This is a one-person operated train. The next stop is Kuzu. Station number F47.
The train began running on the Yoshino line towards Kashihara Jingume Station.
古市行き各駅停車になります。大和八木、天智、奈良、京都、伊勢志摩、名古屋方面は1、2、3番乗り場の電車にお乗り換えです。お忘れ物のないようご注意ください。右側の扉が開きます。ご注意ください。近鉄をご利用いただきありがとうございます。
So far, I have ridden the Nankai Main Line, Nankai Airport Line, JR Kansai Airport Line, Hanwha Line, Kansai Main Line, Wakayama Line, and Kintetsu Yoshino Line to get here.
What are you going to do when you arrive at Kashihara Jingume Station? Which train are you going to take next?
Let's have lunch.
If that's the case, don't you have to go through the ticket gate?
Don't worry. There is a convenience store inside the ticket gate at Kashihara Jingume Station. And a drugstore too. Of course, there is also a restaurant. Let's go to a restaurant called Kiharu. Today, I had a katsudon. It was delicious. Now, let's get on the next train. The next train is the Limited Express bound for Kyoto, departing at 14:07. The Limited Express train bound for Kyoto will depart at 14:07 from Track 1. Track 1 is located just beyond the in-station railroad crossing. The Kintetsu Limited Express train had already arrived at Track 1. The track width of the Kintetsu Kashihara line, on which this express train runs, is 1,435 mm, like the Shinkansen. The track width of the Yoshino line, which I had just ridden, and the Minami Osaka line is 1,067 mm, like JR's conventional lines. Let's board the Kintetsu Limited Express bound for Kyoto. There are only few passengers, probably because there is still some time before the departure.
It's a weekday afternoon, so maybe there aren't many people around?
Probably so. The Limited Express bound for Kyoto departed from Kashihara Jingume Station. Kashihara Jingume Station is served by the Minami Osaka Line, Yoshino Line, and Kashihara Line. The Minami Osaka Line and the Yoshino Line have the same track width, so there are trains that run directly between them. One of these is the tourist train called Blue Symphony. This train runs on the Minami Osaka Line from Osaka Abenobashi Station to its terminus at Kashihara Jingume Station, then switches to the Yoshino Line, stopping at Yashimiguchi Station and other stations before arriving at Yoshino Station.
お待たせしました。近鉄特急をご利用いただきありがとうございます。この電車は京都行き特急です。座席はすべて指定となっています。特急券の指定番号の席にお座りください。
Thank you for taking the Kintetsu Limited Express. This is the Kintetsu Limited Express bound for Kyoto. This train has reserved seats only. Please use the seating indicated on your ticket. number B39. For Osaka Uehonmachi, please go up the stairs and transfer to track 3 or 4. And for Ise-shima and Nagoya, please transfer to track 1 or 2.
大阪の大阪南波行き特急上の方の3番乗り場から発車いたします。連絡の南波行き特急上の方の3番乗り場から発車いたします。
Between Kashiharajingume Station, where I got on, and the next station, Yamato-Yagi, the train only passes through 2 stations. They are Anibi-Goriome Station and Yagi Nishiguchi Station. We are now passing through Yagi Nishiguchi Station. Yagi Nishiguchi Station was originally called Yagi Station, but when the current Yamato-Yagi Station was opened after the current Kintetsu Osaka line opened, it was renamed Yagi Nishiguchi Station. Yamato-Yagi Station is a 2-story station, where the elevated Osaka line runs, above the ground-level Kashihara line. This is the only station where the Kintetsu lines cross each other, with a grade-separated intersection. Now, let's get ready to get off.
The limited express, urban liner, bound for Osaka Namba, is arriving at track 3. To board the limited express, a limited express ticket is needed in addition to a basic fare ticket.
The limited express urban liner bound for Osaka Namba is arriving at Yamato-Yagi Station. The elevated track of the Kintetsu Nara line comes into view. An limited express train is running there.
That means we'll be passing Fusei Station soon, right?
That's right. Fusei Station is the de facto junction of the Kintetsu Nara Line and the Osaka Line. As a matter of fact, the section between Fusei Station and Osaka Uehomachi Station is a quadruple track section where the Nara Line and Osaka Line run parallel to each other. The urban liner is passing through Fusei Station. Fusei Station has an unusual structure. I'll explain it later.
JR 環状線はお乗り換えです。車内にお忘れ物のないようご注意ください。お出口は左側です。扉にご注意ください。近鉄特急アーバンライナーをご利用いただきましてありがとうございました。We will soon make a stop at Tsuruhashi. Station number A4. Please change here for the JR Loop line. Please take care when exiting from the left side of the train. Thank you for taking the Kintetsu Limited Express urban liner.
Fusei Station, which we just passed, is a two-story elevated station. The Osaka Line platform is on the 3rd floor, and the Nara Line platform is on the 4th floor, and the 1st and 2nd floors are commercial facilities including the Kintetsu department store. Even though it is called Kintetsu department store, it is a small store that mainly sells groceries. The urban liner arrives at Tsuruhashi Station. The urban liner departed from Tsuruhashi Station. Tsuruhashi Station is a busy station as it is served by both the Kintetsu Line and the JR Osaka Loop Line. Among Kintetsu stations, this station has about the same number of passengers as Osaka Abenobashi Station and Osaka Namba Station. From here, the Kintetsu Limited Express train starts running underground.
まもなく大阪上本町に到着します。地下鉄谷町線はお乗り換えです。
The urban liner stopped at Osaka Uehomachi Station and entered the Namba line. The next stop is Osaka Namba, the final stop.
Namba に到着します。この電車はこの駅までです。
近鉄特急アーバンライナーをご利用いただきありがとうございました。大阪難波に到着します。お忘れ物ないようにご注意ください。
Albatross
Travel Channel.
I have arrived at Osaka Namba Station. If the title of this video were
Take trains from Nankai's Namba to Osaka Namba stations without passing through the ticket gates on the way,
then this would be the finish line. But the finish line this time is Subway's Namba Station. So the video continues.
Subway's Namba Station is just a 1-minute walk from here. Isn't it okay to finish here?
No, that's not the case. Now, let's continue the journey.
3番乗り場に神戸三宮行き快速急行が6両編成で参ります。危険ですから黄色の点字ブロックまでお下がりください。途中の停
西九条までの各駅と尼崎、向川、甲子園、今津、西宮、魚崎です。A rapid express bound for Kobe Sanomiya is arriving at track 3.
The Hanshin Electric Railway's Rapid Express bound for Kobe Sanomiya departs Osaka Namba Station and begins running on the Hanshin Namba line. The train runs underground for a while.
At Osaka Namba Station, you change trains from Kintetsu to Hanshin, right?
That's right. By the way, here are the tickets for the Kintetsu line. The fare from Yashinaguchi to Osaka Namba is 930 yen. The limited express ticket from Kashihara Jingume to Osaka Namba via Yamato Yagi is 920 yen. The rapid express runs underground until just before Nishikujo, the transfer station for the JR Osaka Loop line. The Rapid Express train ran on the Hanshin Namba line all the way and entered Amagasaki Station, the last station on the Namba line. There are two stations called Amagasaki: Hanshin's Amagasaki Station and JR's Amagasaki Station. Stations with the same name are often exist to each other, but the two Amagasaki stations are about 2 kilometers apart. I've arrived at Amagasaki Station. Let's board the train that runs on the Hanshin main line from here. The train I'm on now is the Hanshin Main Line Direct Limited Express, departing at 15:18. The train departed Amagasaki Station and started running on the Hanshin Main Line. The train I'm on now is the Hanshin Main Line Direct Limited Express, departing at 15:18. This train runs on the Hanshin Main Line and the Hanshin Kobe Rapid Line before reaching the final destination, Sanyo Himeji Station on the Sanyo Electric Railway Main Line. Even though it's called an express train, Hanshin Limited Express trains can be boarded with just a fare ticket. Oh. This isn't an express train.
Looks like this is a local train.
Even if I get on a wrong train, trains in the city come very often, so it's no problem. The local train is running on the Hanshin Main Line. I can get to my next destination by staying on this local train, but I transfer to an express train at some station. It looks like an express train will be arriving fairly soon, so I'll change trains here. The express train bound for Samora Park arrives. Samora Park Station is a station on the Sanyo Electric Railway main line and is the nearest station to Samora Mountain Top Amusement Park. Many Hanshin Limited Express trains turn around at Samora Park Station and head towards Osaka Umeda Station. The limited express train has departed from Mikage Station.
次は三宮、神戸三宮です。地下鉄、オートライナー、JR 神戸線ご利用の方はお乗り換えください。神戸三宮の次は元町に停まります。The next stop is Kobe Sannomiya. Station number HS32. Please change here for subway lines, the Kotoano and Juno lines.
The train is currently running on the ground, but it will go underground from here and continue running underground for a while. The train stopped at Kobe Sannomiya, Motomachi, and Nishi Motomachi, and heads west on the Hanshin Kobe Rapid Line.
Your goal this time is Subway's Namba Station, right? Osaka Namba Station was close to Namba Subway Station, but now you're in Kobe, Hyogo Prefecture. What's going on?
Don't worry. I'll change trains at this station. A maroon-colored train is arriving. This train is a semi-express train that runs on the Hankyu-Kobe Rapid Line to Kobe Sannomiya, then via the Hankyu-Kobe Main Line to Hankyu's Osaka Umeda Station. You can board this semi-express train with just a fare ticket.
It's the same as Hanshin's limited express trains.
The semi-express train departs from Kosoka Kobe Station and begins running on the Hankyu-Kobe Kosoka line.
OtoLogic 地下鉄線 JR
線はお乗り換えください。
The semi-express train will soon be arriving at Juso Station. Juso Station is an important station on the Kobe Main Line, Takarazuka Main Line, and Kyoto Main Line.
Got it. So you'll be changing trains here.
That's right.
大阪梅田方面から4両目は座席指定車両です。ご乗車の際は足元にご注意ください。この電車は準特急京都河原町行きです。
This is just my wild guess, but I think you'll be changing trains at the next station, Awaji. If you keep on riding this train, you'll go all the way to Kyoto. I don't think that's going to happen.
It's a good guess.
淡路です。忘れ物ないようご注意ください。出口は右側です。
As Jay said earlier, I'm getting off this train at Awaji. The local train bound for Tengachaya departed Awaji station and began running on the Hankyu Senri line. The Senri line is a Hankyu line that connects Kita Senri station and Tenjin Bashisuji Rokachome station. After crossing the Yodogawa River, the Senri line goes underground. The next stop is Tenjin Bashisuji Rokuchome Station. This is the end of the Senri line.
But this train's destination is Tengachaya. I see. We entered the subway line from here.
That's right. This train goes into the Osaka Metro Sakai-Suji line. The train bound for Tengachaya departs from Tenjin Bashisuji Rokuchome Station.
次は扇町です。JR 環状線はお乗り換えです。出口は左側に変わります。The next stop is Ogimachi, station number K12. Passengers can transfer
The train stopped at Ogimachi, Minami Morimachi, Kitahama, Sakai-Suji Hamachi stations, and is stopping at Naga-Horibashi station.
次は日本橋です。千日前線、近鉄線はお乗り換えです。出口は左側に変わります。
The train arrives at Nipponbashi station. I will transfer here to the Shin-Nichime line. I took the last train of the day. The last line was the Shin-Nichime line of the Osaka Metro. My journey is almost over. The journey started on the Nankai Railway, and it took me about 8 hours to get from Nankai Namba Station to Subway's Namba Station. I used the Nankai, JR, Kintetsu, Hanshin, Hankyu and Subway lines. Let me introduce the tickets I used after Osaka Namba Station. For Hanshin and Hankyu lines, I used this Hankyu Hanshin one-day pass. For the subway, I used this one-day pass. Thank you for watching my video. That's it from Albatross and Jay. This channel mainly deals videos about travels using trains. If you like such topics, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.